Hi, this is Juan,
And I'm Anita.
and we just moved from Dallas, Texas to Cartersville, Georgia. And MoveCo.net moved us.
And they were fantastic, fabulous. They answered all my 100 questions and no problems. And the Duke, the main guy, manager, is here helping us when nobody else wanted to work on the 4th of July. So thank you, Duke.
One
Thank
thing
you.
is, one of the things is that we have so many things that we moved from over there to here, and everything came all together. Nothing broken, everything well packed. The guys packing did an excellent job. The people unpacking did an excellent job. So we're very satisfied with the work. We recommend MoveCo.net for your
Texas MoveCo.
Texas MoveCo.net for your next move.
100%.
Thank you.
Excellent.